kanin.
Kanin.
Yes, wait lang, wait.
Wait. I want shine.
Sarah Fajardo, hello. Don't be
Oh.
weird, Richard. Stop.
It's that.
Traditional.
Ma, it's that. It's that. Ma, it's that. It's that. Ma, it's
I
that.
don't know you,
Ma,
Dion.
it's that. It's that.
Ha?
It's that. Ma, it's that.
Ano yun?
It's that. It's that. It's that. It's that. It's that.
What?
It's that. 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 See, it's that.
Yes?
It's that. One is that. It's that. One is that. It's that. One is that. One is that. It's that.
What's that?
It's that. Mango is that. Mango is that.
Say hi to everyone.
Mango is that.
Say hi to everyone.
What is that? Mine.
Hello, everyone.
Is that? Is that? What is that? What is that? Is that? Is that? That. That.
This is very yummy. Actually, I have a headache this time, guys. Yes. Snake.
Yes.
Another one.
My dad. My dad.
Yeah, dead. Dead na siya.
Yes, he dead.
The snake is dead.
Dad.
Yes.
Dad. Dad.
Ahmed.
Dad. Dad. My dad.
Yeah, dead. Dead na siya.
Dad.
Yung snake.
My dad.
The snake is dead. Yes, this is mango.
Mango.
We call this Indian mango here in Philippines.
Beans.
And I don't know why if they calling this Indian mango. Because we have a lot of variety of mango here in Philippines. And this one is called Indian mango. We used to dip this in sauce. Bagoong sauce.